Now I'm going to show you a little trick that we found that we really like the look of. And this is, we call like a last frame effect. So we're going to be utilizing AI generation to continue a shot from a interview into a AI B-roll that makes it look like one seamless shot. So we can have a look here. The last interview shot I've recorded, and in it I just talk about the social media platforms that our pretend company would cater to. But at the end, I say that we will ensure that the video that we are making for you will reach the people you want it to. So what I think would be a really cool shot is a shot of going from like that interview and then going into like the camera kind of pulling back, and we can see a community of people surrounding the interviewer, which is me in this example. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use a B-roll shot and use AI generation to make this effect. So we're going to override our B-roll shot that we made a couple of videos ago. We're going to click on this and we're going to click on AI. So we'll need to change the description of the shot just to match the vision that we have, or what you can do is you can use AI generation to change the shot fundamentally, and it will change what's in here. So we're going to use that. Cool. So I've gone and edited the shot, and we've changed the description of the AI shot, just to do a little bit of tweaking. We're actually going to now import the image that we're going to use. So the way that this effect really works is once you've recorded your interview shot, you need to go and get a picture of the last frame of that shot, which is very easy to do by just going to your photo library, going to the shot, editing it, scrolling right to the end, and then taking a screenshot of that and just cropping it in. So we're going to import the image that I've got. You can see that is the last frame of the shot that we've got, and we've got this description. So we're just going to click generate, and it's going to give us a shot that works with the effect. Okay, now we can see that it's generated our shot. Let's have a look at it and let's see if it works with what we want it to. So we click on the AI shot and we can see the generated shot. Speaking. Nice. Yep, perfect. That's what I really wanted. So it goes from, we'll make sure the video gets to the people that you want to see it. And after that, then it goes to the AI shot. I think that's awesome. So we're going to click use video, and now that effect is there.